tomorrow's never promised. You never know when your last day is, bro. Stop stressing about things that aren't that important. Yo, it's your boy Me Sultans in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. What's good, everybody? Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all remaining strong, disciplined, and safe. You feel me? Right now, I'm out in the woods with my boy Spike. Buggy, come here, come here. What's up, boy? Come on, what's up? Come on, what's up? Now I'm out in nature, and that's basically what the video is gonna be about today. It's to get into nature, man. Right now, I'm just taking a walk with my dog. Disconnecting from the world, just getting out and enjoying life and enjoying what our natural habitat is. Like, look how beautiful my surroundings is. And if you just listen, just quietness, but with the leaves falling and birds chirping and the bugs making noise. Right now, me and him is just taking a little bit walk before the weather gets too bad, where nobody's gonna want to be out in nature like that, and it's not gonna be as beautiful. The fall is pretty beautiful and stuff, but there's a lot of green. It's beautiful rather than no leaves on a tree. But right now, we're at this place in Baltimore where I be hunting at, and I'm looking for a prime spot to set up my tree stand when I be hunting out here more. It's archery season right now. So I literally could hunt right now, but I'm not prepared. So right now we're just looking for a good spot. But I'm out in nature anyway, so we're gonna find a cool little spot, and I'm gonna set up the camera so we can talk a little bit and go dive deeper into why I'm making this video. I found this is kind of cool, saying west and east. So I guess west is that way and east is that way. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, y'all, so I found a little spot back here. It's like a nice little meadow, as I can see. Really what I want to talk about is get in nature, bro. Like, beginning like this, if y'all feeling any type of way, like feeling behind in life, feeling like you're in a loop, feel like you're repeating the same thing over and over again, and you feel like your life's not going anywhere, bro, one of the things I like to do is actually come in the woods and sit down, whether I be hunting, fishing, camping, or just taking a hike with your dog, you feel me? So, yeah, people are so caught up in the rat race on, you know, going to work every day, going to school every day, trying to survive, but burning yourself out and competing with other people. When I go to work in the morning, bro, when I see all those people just going to work, driving all these cars, bro, it's like, damn, we're stuck in a rat race. We're really stuck in a rat race, bro. Like, we're all trying to get to the bag, but at the end of the day, when I be driving past a lot of these people, they don't look happy. They don't look like, oh yeah, I want to be here, I want to be going to work. Nah, bro. They be looking like just like slunched over and stuff like that. And I get people have to work, but at the end of the day, you shouldn't have to go to work and be miserable. Like, you shouldn't be getting up, going to school, going to work, feeling like shit. Like, damn, I really don't want to be doing this today. I really don't want to. You know, I know we all been there, we all felt like that, but, you know, that's because we're so used to the same repetitive things. We're used to the same cycles, used to the same repetitive things. There's no change. We're content with our life, but, you know, just doing simple things with getting out in nature where our natural human habitat is, like, just sit back in nature, enjoy the view, and just sit back and, you know, connect with your ancestors. Like, I don't know if y'all spiritual, religious, or anything, but I'm very into Native American ways. Like, I like to study how, you know, different tribes were, how I'm not too much into the spiritual thing, but I know it's very spiritual. And like, if you actually sit down and just listen and just feel disconnected from the earth or disconnected from society, and you actually connect and ground with the earth, like, you actually feel good, bro. I'm sitting right here right now, not stressed about anything. Yeah, when I go back into, you know, normal life, I probably will be stressed, but, you know, sometimes that's hard to control. But if you actually just get out, sit by yourself, sit with people, or just sit by yourself, sit with your dog, a companion, and y'all actually just, you know, connect with earth, feel the grass, bruh, feel plants, look at the bugs, like, you know, tomorrow's never promised. You never know when your last day is, bro. Stop stressing about things that aren't that important. Stop overthinking and worrying about things and having anxiety about things that in the end, when we die, nothing's gonna matter. You know? So I tell y'all to get out into nature, get out and just listen. Like, I'm gonna do a little moment of silence so y'all can listen to what I'm listening to right now. This spike will stop moving. You hear that? Quiet. Just the wind blowing, the birds chirping, the leaves falling, the trees going back and forth, like just natural sounds, bro. Like, a lot of people be going on YouTube and listening to brown noise or rain sounds and stuff. Go out in real nature and do that. And I know it may be hard if y'all in a city like New York City. That's probably impossible to do. But if you can, take a trip out to PA, to the Poconos, and just, or Jersey, or just, if any city where you're at, if you're in another country, just find a place where you can actually have peace, sit by yourself and enjoy what God gave to us, bro. And I was saying, like, get grounded. So if y'all know like electrical things, so I install solar panels. Well, I used to install solar panels on the roof, but anytime you're dealing with electricity, you have to have a ground for something, and the ground is basically to ground things. You feel me? Like, to where all the electricity is grounded to. You feel me? Because electricity is energy, and we have electricity and energy going through our body. You know, when you touch something, you get shocked. You feel me? That's static electricity. So when you have electrical currents, it has to have a place to be grounded to, where it all flows back to. Basically, what grounding is it redirects the current. Say there's a shortage in the current or something. You have a short in a wire or something like that. It's the same thing with life, bro. You know, if you're going through life right now and you're full of energy, electricity, energy and all that, but you have a short in your life where the fuse shorts out, you have to ground back into earth. Go into nature, ground yourself. Because if you keep trying to put in that energy into something and not actually get ground, it's just like in a system, just like electrical system. You're gonna blow up. It's gonna fuse out. It's gonna explode. And that's how your life is. If you don't ground yourself into nature and actually get away from people, negative energy, you feel me, and actually redirect your energy and take the energy from the earth and put it into your body, bro, you're just gonna crash out, like a lot of people do. Just take time to yourself and actually enjoy things. Like, look at Spike. Like, he's literally just sitting there enjoying it as well. He's not caring about anything. Spikey, you good, Bubba? See? You know what I mean? It goes the same for animals. Like, another example I could use is like, all right, so say in a dog shelter or something like that, or an animal or in a zoo, you feel me? We're like animals in a zoo, where we're confined to one spot. We're confined to one spot, and that brings depression, that stresses us out, that gives us anxiety. All those animals inside of that zoo are in a repetitive cycle as well. They wake up, they're gonna see all the people, they're gonna get fed at the same exact time, they're gonna repeat it for the rest of their life. If you take a lion from the zoo versus a lion from the wild in Africa, you will see the difference. So it's like us, we're stuck in this cage, stuck in this loops, waking up doing the same old thing. That's why we're stressed, depressed, anxiety, sadness, you know. It's because we're not in our natural habitat, man. Why do you think people go camping? To get away, to escape. And it's not to escape reality, it's to escape to reality. It's to escape to what we're really supposed to be doing, how we're really supposed to be living. The Native Americans before the Europeans came over, bruh, they were just living life. I bet you they didn't have as much stress, anxiety, and none of that. I'm not saying they didn't, but they probably didn't have as much as we got now. We have our phones that we're always stressed. Social media, pornography, all that shit is fucking with our head. They didn't have that back then. All they had was them in the woods and animals. That's it. Why do you think families aren't as close anymore? Because we're separated by this. We're separated by the city, society, money. We're divided by everything in life, bruh. Politics, sports teams, favorite rapper, Lil Durk versus NBA Youngboy. There are people literally ready. There are people that are willing to die for those two people just because they're hot names and they're beefing. You feel me? If Youngboy starts beefing with Quando Rondo, people are gonna pick sides. We're so divided, bruh. We are literally divided by anything, bruh. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I don't know, man, but yeah, like I said, yeah, just get out in nature. Go find the nearest woods next to you and just enjoy it, bruh. Just sit here in peace and just reconnect with your soul. It's good for your soul to be out here. But with that being said, man, that's all I gotta say. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay disciplined, man. I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.